Galangoor Charlie and welcome to the fifth in the series of Butchulla language information videos. Today's language lesson centres on birds. Our first one is our flightless bird, the goringe, emu. The next group of birds are the small to medium-sized birds. Tiwanawa, swallow. Jerunculum, blue-headed wren. Marundum, quail. Dinka dinka, willy wagtail. Bile, peewee. Concolum, pigeon. Tama, bronze-wing pigeon. Wongalaman, wonga pigeon. Kuwea, bush or stone curlew. Yindarin, native woodpecker. Murugurin, ibis. Now we move on to the larger birds. We have yilla, crane. Cunarung, brolga. Now our fowl. The first one is waggon, which is any type of fowl, so chicken or turkey, and it's also used for introduced species. Kalaka, bastard turkey. Nyring, native goose. Moving on to parrots, we have Durumbar, black cockatoo. Gigum, white cockatoo. Baur, king parrot. Beer, green-leek parrot. Purr, parakeet. Now our water birds. Darbun, diver bird. Dargle, shag. Guivangur, whistler duck. Manarong, wood duck. Jubbun, teal. Nar, black duck. Jaran, water rail. Watham, water hen. Bunbun, swamp pheasant. Kawurwul, white-fronted heron. Kalulin, black swan. And Bawalum, pelican. Next is our nocturnal birds. We have yinka, owl. Wugu, night owl. Bullet, boobook owl. Our meat eaters, kugaga, kookaburra. Wawa, crow. Karwung, magpie. Move on now to our birds of prey. Tilgonda, white-collared sparrowhawk. Min-min, streaked hawk. Budjar, eaglehawk. Biwa, eagle. Burad, sea eagle. Gunka, white-headed eagle. Gudula, wedge-tail eagle. Our last group of words are generic terms. So the generic term for all birds is dippy. Muru, beak. Gundi, wing. Bam, eggs. Galangoor Yin, thank you for listening. These are my contact details. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.